formation of compounds. Before going to the topic, we will discuss in previous classes cation and anion. Once you remember the definition of cation and anions. So what is cations? They are formed when a metal loses its electrons. They lose one or more than one electron and do not lose any protons. Therefore, they possess a net positive charge is known as a cations. So some of the examples of cations: calcium Ca2 plus or magnesium Mg2 plus, hydrogen H plus, potassium K plus. So all positive charges is known as a cations. An anion is an ionic species having a negative charge. The chemical species may be a single atom or group of atoms. An anion is attracted to the anode in electrolysis process. So examples of anions: fluorine F minus, chlorine Cl minus, bromine Br minus, and iodine I minus. All negatively charged atoms is known as an anion. So let us discuss some electropositive ions are also cations. Name of the cation and symbol of cations. Suppose we take example sodium Na plus. Sodium contain valency is 1. Potassium K plus. Potassium also valency 1. So here we mention the positive charges. Magnesium Mg2 plus. Aluminum Al3 plus. Copper 1, that means cuprous. So copper contain two variable valencies 1 and 2. So lower valency is known as cuprous, higher valency cupric. So cuprous electron contain Cu plus 1 and copper 2 cupric Cu plus 2. So at same time ion also present in two different variable valencies. Example ion 2, that means lower valency ferrous Fe plus 2, ion 3 ferric Fe plus 3. These are the variable valencies, and also examples of electropositive ions are also called cations. Electronegative ions or anions. Name of the ion, symbol of ions. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Sulfide or sulfite S2 minus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. Phosphite PO3 3 minus. Phosphide P3 minus. Nitrate NO3 minus. Nitrite NO2 minus. Nitride N3 minus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus. Hydroxide OH minus. Oxide O2 minus. Fluorine F minus. Chloride Cl minus. Bromide Br minus. Iodide I minus. So these are the negative ions and also anions presenting some different charges. Let us begin how to write chemical formula of ionic compounds. So first of all, we will discuss some of the examples like sodium chloride, aluminum chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, magnesium oxide, potassium nitride, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium carbonate, and last one aluminum hydroxide. So let us see how to write chemical formula of sodium chloride. First one, sodium chloride. What is the formula of sodium chloride? So write first one, sodium chloride. Formula of sodium Na, that means symbol chloride Cl minus. So what is the valency of sodium? In previous classes already we discussed about valencies of the metals and non-metals. So here in this sodium content valency is 1 and chlorine content valency 1. We are using some crisscross method. So N sodium is multiple with 1, chlorine also multiple with 1. So that means both are same. NaCl, formula of sodium chloride. What is the second one? Aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride. Symbol of aluminum Al. Chloride Cl minus. That means Cl minus gain 1 electron. Aluminum losses 3 electrons. So that means valency of aluminum 3, chlorine 1. Using crisscross method. So that means aluminum is multiple with 1 Al. Chlorine is multiple with 3. That means Al Cl3. The chemical formula of aluminum chloride Al Cl3. Next, third one, magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Symbol of magnesium Mg. Chloride Cl minus. So what is the valence of magnesium? 2, chlorine 1. So using crisscross method, Mg multiple with 1 Mg and chlorine Cl2, Mg Cl2. Next one, fourth one, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. So in this calcium hydroxide, symbol of calcium Ca hydroxide OH. So that means only single electron will be present in that OH. Calcium valency is 2, OH means 1. So valency of hydroxide. Using crisscross method. So multiple with 1 Ca OH. So OH is multiple with 2 is multiple with both oxygen and hydrogen. Calcium hydroxide. Formula of calcium hydroxide CaOH taken twice. Next one, fifth one. What is the name of the compound? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Symbol of calcium Ca, carbonate CO3 2 minus. The valency of calcium 2 and carbonate so minus 2. These are negative charge. So both are plus and minus are cancelled. That means you can use crisscross method. Ca, both two values are cancelled. That means CaCO3. What is the formula of calcium carbonate? CaCO3. Next one, what is sixth one? Magnesium oxide. Symbol of magnesium Mg. And what is the formula of oxide? O2 minus. O2 minus. So here oxygen charge will be present, O2 minus. Valency of magnesium 2 and oxygen 2 minus, that means both are cancelled. You can use crisscross method, multiple with MgO, formula of magnesium oxide. Seventh one, potassium nitrate. Seventh one, potassium nitrite. The chemical formula of potassium or symbol of potassium is K. Nitrite, NO2 minus. What is the valence of potassium? 1, and it lost gain 1 electron, NO3, NO2 minus, that means valence is 1. Using crisscross method. So formula of potassium nitrate, KNO2, KNO2 potassium nitrate. So next one, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Symbol of sodium, Na. Hydrogen carbonate, CO3 minus. Valence of sodium is 1 and hydrogen carbonate valence is 1. Using crisscross method, multiple with these two values, NaH, CO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next one, sodium carbonate. Formula of sodium carbonate. What is the symbol of sodium? Na. Carbonate, CO3, 2 minus, carbonate. What is the valence of sodium? 1. Carbonate 2, that means minus 2. Using crisscross method, formula of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. The chemical formula of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Last one, aluminum hydroxide. Symbol of aluminum, Al, and hydroxide, OH minus. Valence of aluminum 3, hydroxide only 1, that means negative charge. Can using crisscross method, Al, OH taken thrice. The formula of aluminum hydroxide, AlOH taken thrice. So these are the chemical formula of ionic compounds. We can discuss remaining chemical compounds on next class.